In this video, you'll learn how to delete all tasks from Microsoft To Do in just a few quick steps. Whether you're cleaning up an old project, starting fresh for a new week, or just tired of seeing a long list of outdated tasks, this walkthrough will help you clear everything out safely and efficiently. First, make sure you have Microsoft To Do open on your computer. This method works best on the desktop or web version, where you can use keyboard shortcuts. Once you're in the app, look at the left-hand side to find the list you want to clear. This could be your main task list, a project list, or any custom list you've created. Go ahead and click on that list to open it. It's important to double check that you're selecting the correct list here because everything in this list will be removed. Now that your chosen list is open and visible, you'll see all the tasks you've added to it. The next step is to select one of those tasks. Click once on any task in the list. It doesn't matter which one you choose. This first click simply tells Microsoft To Do where to start from, so you can highlight everything at once. With that single task selected, you're ready to select the rest. On a Windows computer, press Ctrl and A together on your keyboard. On a Mac, press Command and A. You should see that every task in the list is now highlighted or selected. Take a moment to visually confirm that all the tasks you want to delete are selected and that you're still in the correct list. If you notice something isn't right, you can click away to cancel the selection and repeat the selection shortcut. Once you're sure everything is correctly selected, it's time to delete the tasks. The fastest way is to press the delete key on your keyboard. As soon as you do this, all the selected tasks will be removed from that list. Depending on your version of the app, you might be asked to confirm the deletion, so just follow any on-screen prompt if it appears. If you prefer using your mouse instead of the keyboard, there's an alternative. While all the tasks are still selected, right-click on any one of them. A context menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option that says Delete Tasks and click it. Just like before, all the selected tasks will be deleted from the list. Again, if you see a confirmation message, confirm that you want to delete them. After you've deleted the tasks, your list should now be empty. This is a good time to quickly review and make sure nothing important is missing. If you deleted something by mistake and your version of Microsoft To Do supports undo, you can usually press Ctrl and Z on Windows or Command and Z on Mac immediately after deleting to undo the action, and that's all there is to it. By opening the list, selecting any task, using the Select All shortcut, and then deleting, you can quickly clear out an entire list in Microsoft To Do and start with a clean slate.